Hello friends, and in this video I'm gonna show you how can you earn $20 per hour again and again just by sitting at your home, and you just didn't need anything, any investment, even you didn't need a penny. So before starting this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button with bell notification, or also click on the description first link for joining my #1 recommendation Google AdSense earning course. So in this video I'm going to talking about the CPA. What is CPA? Like this means of CPA is cost per action. That means that you get paid when someone taking action from your link. For example, if you give me a link that allows you to get paid by downloading, when someone downloading movies, so when I click on your link and I download movies, you will get paid. So this is the simple strategy, simple meaning of CPA. Now in this particular video I'm going to show you how can you make money with any type of games, whether it's Fortnite, whether it's Clash of Clans, whether it's anything. And you just need to join some networks for free, absolutely. So what you need to do, just click here and come on the offerworld.com. This is a great website that gives you more in-depth knowledge about the CPA networks. So click on this offerworld and create an account on that for free, absolutely. And once you done, for example, you have a game of Clash of Clans. Well, I am also showing you, if you don't know how to play games and if you don't know what the things going around you, so don't worry, I have a free solution, free videos for you, so you can easily put on YouTube and make money with that. For example, you are master of Clash of Clans, so I just wrote Clash of Clans and I search this button. As you can see over there, there's a big button over there. Just click there and Clash of Clans, and I just click here. Okay, let me search this. Causing some problems, so let me search this, any one of that. Okay, now actually there are many offers that gives you freedom for make money online. For example, as you can see over there, media market no pre-launder IT reward program, and some other details are available here. Now there are some things like sale, this offer type to say. For example, if you give someone this link as your special link, and someone buy something from this website which this offering, so you got $980 from one sale, which is good, but it is very difficult to targeted countries in that kind of offers. Now come here, this is T-Mobile O2E Plus MG Vodafone Clash of Clans to guide iPhone Android Windows. And let me look on this. Actually this is a lead, that means you get paid when someone putting his or her email on this landing page. Let me open this one. Now you will see clearly here, that when someone comes from your link and put his or her email, you will get paid. And how much that you will get $90.20. I mean, for example, you have a Facebook page about Clash of Clans and you are just trying to build audience. For example, if you are a hard worker, so you're trying to build from scratch, like posting daily using some SEO hashtags, etc. But if you are ready to spend only $5 for Facebook advertisement, so let me calculate. For example, you got 100 people, you got 20 people who click on your link, on this link, and 20 targeted people, and from 20, 10 people's put his or own emails. So let me calculate $90.20 multiply 10. So you will generate easily $192 just by spending $5. So this is crazy, this is insane. Now when someone comes here and he's put on email from here, so you will get paid. Now, the main and competitive thing on that, you need to target the targeted audience. For example, this was only allows United States traffic. So if you are good social media marketer, you are not a good social media marketer, but you need a targeted audience. So what you need to do, just go to the facebook.com and search the Clash of Champions groups. Is the one way. Now comes on YouTube, for example. What you need to do, just create a video around that, like you have a channel of Clash of Clans where you're showing the how to generate jumps, etc, etc. And after putting 10 to 20 videos, what you need to just go and join this network and put your affiliate and special link in description and said that if you need any types of 99,000 jumps, so check out this link. And when your audience going, they clicking on your ads, they are putting his or emails, you will get paid for one email $90, which is great. Now for example, you don't know how to play this game and you don't know about anything, so what you need to just copy your game name, for example Clash of Clans, and paste here. Click this search button available here. Now what you need to do, just go to the filters and there's an option known as Creative Commons. Now what is the Creative Commons mean? It means that there are some people who allows to reuse of that video, of his video. For example, this channel put his video and they got 10,810 views, which is too much. You can easily download that and put as your own, and put the affiliate or special link of this particular landing page on your description box. So the magic goes on. You just need to do 50 to 60 videos on one channel, one type of niche like Clash of Clans. So you just need to do 50 videos. Now if you don't know how to find the topics around the Clash of Clans, so what you need to do, just write Clash of Clans and put space here, and then you will see some keywords which are highly targeted, which are highly searching able. So for example, Clash of Clans animation, Clash of Clans gameplay. If I click there, and these people are putting some videos, and if I go to filters, then I select Creative Commons, they post these videos, and you will easily earn money without doing anything. You just need 1 to 2 hours to utilize the opportunities around on your surroundings. Now I hope you like this video, so please again click on the description first link for joining my #1 recommendation, make money online, make money Google AdSense course. And on that particular course, my friend showing you how you can turn $5 into $1600 USD per week, which is insane. So click on the description first link, and thank you for watching this video.